In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create group discussion topics in Canvas. The first thing we're going to do is go over to the navigation panel and click on Discussions, as this will take us to the Discussions page. At this time, we only have one discussion available, but let's go ahead and create a secondary discussion. There are two ways to add discussions, but for this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and click on the blue box that has plus discussion. And we're going to have a discussion topic title. So let's see. Let's decide to go with paranormal activity. And then you can add a description. Take a look at all the other parameters underneath the options. This is a group discussion, so we're going to go ahead and select the group category, or we can create a new group category for this particular assignment. So since we're doing paranormal activity, we'll say group set name will be US Paranormal Activities. You can do self-sign up or require the group members to be in the same section as a definite. The group structure, you can split the students and however many groups you want. So for this one, we're going to go with three, with three groups of 4, and automatically assign a student leader, and the first student to join will be the leader of the group. Lucky them. Click Save, and this will be available from today until later today. Click. Then you come over here and you click Save and Publish. As you see, each group has its own conversation for the topics, so the students can select whatever one they want. And as you see, that is how you create discussion topics in Canvas.